Niggas, hey, whoa. You niggas when I get like this, hey, you niggas when I get like this, wait, these niggas when I get like this, why you always yapping? I could do this shit, no distractions, yeah. Get my cash up, bands up, and then I'm back at it. Count these bucks out this bitch. Guess I'm just getting mavericks. Hey, she love my style like this bitch. She even call it swagger. Wait, hey. When I get like this, hey, easy when I get like this. Whoa, hey, nigga, when I get like this, okay, just act up, hey. Better come correct, okay, I'm vetted. Look, so I was never worried about a check. Got on Nike though, and I still don't ever think I've been checked. You need construction, pull up to your crib and you get, hey, right. Hey, when I get like this, whoa. Hey, when I get like this, whoa. Hey, when I get like this, I got disturbed, and I almost bought that working. Niggas get like me, but they don't even know when all are working. Niggas get like me, but when I pull up, all these started flirting. Niggas get like me, but they don't even know the reason I put the work in. Hey, hey, when I get like, I can't be too humble on these stunt. I cannot be humble on these. Whoa, I can be too humble on you. Whoa, I can be too humble on you. Whoa, hey, whoa.